Today in this video, I'm going to compare two processor of Apple, which is A14 and A15. In this video, I'm comparing every detail and every aspect of these two processors. So let's get started.
Talking about the announcement of both the processor, A15 was announced at 15 September 2021, while A14 was announced at 15 September 2020. So 1 year difference. Talking about the CPU, in A15 you will get 2 cores of ALS, which is 3.2 GHz, which is for high performance, and 4 core for efficiency, which is of Blizzard. The speed of that is 1.8 GHz, while in A14 you will get 2 cores which is of Firestorm and the speed is 3.1 GHz, and 4 core of Ice Storm which is of 1.8 GHz. First is for high performance and second is for efficiency. So overall we can see A15 is winning over here. You will get 6 cores on both the sides. Talking about the CPU frequency, as we have seen, A15 is winning over here. So the frequency will be more as compared to A14. A15 frequency is 3200 megahertz, while A14 has 3100 megahertz. So there is only 100 megahertz difference. The crash is nowadays important. We can see highly crashed things in the processor because it is more about the 8 MB only. But in A15 you will get 32 MB, which is much more. As I explained in last video, 32 is near to the i3 or i5 comparison of Windows. A14 is not also a bad thing because it is provided 16 MB, which is a much higher as compared to the Android device which is only providing 8 MB. Both CPU are based on 5 nanometer fabrication. Talking about the transistor, which is Apple always talking about, this is a very useful thing in processor, and many of the processor like 888 and 870 are not much talking about, but Apple has always told us that they are providing a good amount of transistors which are not in any other chips. So in A15 you will get 15 billion transistors, and in A14 you will get 11.8 billion. So A15 is far ahead as compared to A14. Talking about the TDP. TDP means thermal design power. Talking about the A15 you will get 8.5 volt, and in A14 you will get 7 volt only. Talking about the GPU, both are based on Apple GPU. Apple GPU name has been always unknown. I have searched a lot but I cannot found any name. It is only coming with the Apple GPU name itself. Talking about the memory, both the processors are coming with the same memory lineup. You will get LPDDR4 and the speed is 2750 MHz, and the bandwidth you are getting is 42.7 gigabits. Talking about the size of both the processor, in A15 they are telling it is 8 GB, but I have seen there is only 6 GB in iPhone 13 series, while A14 has 6 GB. Talking about the NPU, it is also same in both the side. We'll get neural engine. The storage type is NVMe. The display is improved over here. We can see a refresh rate in A15, while in A14 there was no refresh rate. So A15 has the plus point over here. The camera in both the processors remain same, which is single for 12 and dual for 12 megapixels. The video capturing and the playback also remain same, which is a 4K at 60 FPS in both the processors. Talking about the modem, both the processor are 5G processors. They are coming with the X60 modem, and A15 has improvement. You'll get Cat24 for 4G, so the 4G connectivity over there will be better if 5G is not available in your area or country. Talking about the A14, you will get Cat18, so it is little bit lower, but the connectivity is always better by Apple. Talking about the benchmark, in A15 you will get single core score of 1722, multi-core which is 4800 and total score is more than 8 lakh Q5. And the last thing is which is the AI, which is nowadays very popular in each and every phone, which is 15.8 TOPS. In A14 you will get single core score of 1165, multi-core which is 3644, and overall score is more than A15 because A14 is nowadays in very use and has a very much usage capacity, while A15 has launched newly, so there is little bit of lower score over here, but later on it will improve. As I have always said that benchmark score are not much great in Apple series and are not confirmed. Each and every processor has fluctuating score, and AI overall score here is 11 TOPS.
So as we can see, A15 is the winner. As we all know, A15 is the level one ahead from A14. This was all about the growth processor. Hopefully you like this video. Subscribe, share it among your friends. Coming soon with another video.